Britain. Every now and again, a little pulse of rain trying to edge further east, but I think generally speaking, the eastern half of England especially will stay mainly dry and pretty bright. Now at the moment we've got an area of low pressure over southern parts of Ireland, quite a convoluted area it is too. It's rather a squally system, got some very strong winds around it, gale force winds around southwestern headlands for the next few hours, and some pretty squally showers too. You can see the cloud there on the satellite pictures during the afternoon. And already the next system showing its hand out in the Atlantic, that's more wind and rain approaching the southwest during Saturday afternoon. So more wind and rain to come once we've got rid of tonight's wind and rain. That's how the radar looked a short time ago, and as you can see, many areas are in fact pretty wet. Plenty of rain across Scotland, across in Northern Ireland as well. Not too much on the eastern side of England yet, but there is some rain to come later on. If we look at the regional radars, we can see a band of heavy rain now lying through Torbay, northwards up through Somerset, and some very woods at the moment. But there could be the odd rumble of thunder there, and some very squally winds, with winds gusting to 50 miles an hour for a time in the next few hours. As you can see, not too many showers lying across the Midlands or eastern England just now, but there is some wetter weather to come as we go through the next few hours, as I've mentioned. So a very wet evening in many parts of the country, the odd rumble of thunder pushing northeastwards, but clearer showery weather. Find those clearer conditions gradually edging northwards and eastwards across the whole country as the night goes along. The rain probably lingering across the far northeastern part of Scotland, maybe the northeast coast of England as well, right through to breakfast time. Then just a few showers around the southern and western coast right through as well. So a windy night to come, but a mild one once again, 4 to 8 degrees north to south. Could turn a bit misty where the wind drops out across Northern Ireland and central Scotland. So starting Saturday morning with that low pressure and some part of Scotland, but here's the next system already showing its hand coming in from the Atlantic Ocean. So just a scattering of showers around the coast first thing, plenty of bright weather about, some sunshine during the morning, and then you'll find the rain returning to Southern Ireland, southwest Wales and Cornwall by midday, and many western parts seeing the wetter weather as the afternoon rolls on, with gale force southerlies again returning. Probably across Scotland the rain confined to the Hebrides at least during daylight hours, just a few showery bursts getting across the Irish Sea and into the West Midlands soon after dark. Temperatures again pretty well up for this time of the year, 9 to 11 degrees. That really is very mild. That's about 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Now by midnight we'll find that bring much of Scotland down through northern England, across the Western Midlands, Wales and into the West Country, and really it doesn't know where to turn for Sunday because it's going to be stuck in basically the same position the whole time. It's in the west where you'll see the rain. Any rain on the eastern side of Scotland petering out as the whole band starts to migrate westwards again back into Northern Ireland. Then through central and eastern parts of England, alright, it'll be cloudy for much of the time, but there will be a few bursts of sunshine, the wind gradually easing off, and there'll be some sunshine from time to time in many eastern parts right the way through to Monday as well. It's pretty mild on the continent as well. That's bad news for skiers, but you can see there is some very cold weather up there in northeastern parts of Europe, and if you're heading off for the Mediterranean, do watch out for a few scattered showers down there in central parts. But that's it from me for now.